In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically generate documents from Google Form responses with Autocrat. We'll start inside your existing Google form. Make sure the form is open in your browser so you can see the editing view. At the top of the screen, you'll notice tabs for questions, responses, and settings. Click the Responses tab. This is where all submitted answers are collected and where we connect the form to a spreadsheet. Inside the Responses tab, look for the small green Google Sheets icon. Click that icon. When prompted, choose Create a new spreadsheet. This creates a brand new Google Sheet and links it to your form, so every response flows in automatically. You'll see a confirmation, and the sheet will carry the form's title with Responses in the name, making it easy to recognize later. Open the linked Google Sheet. You should see column headers that match your form questions and any existing responses listed in rows. This sheet is the data source Autocrat will use to build your documents. Next, install the Autocrat add-on. In the sheet, go to the top menu and choose Extensions, then Add-ons, then Get Add-ons. In the Marketplace window, search for Autocrat. Select it and complete the installation. You may be asked to grant permissions so Autocrat can read your sheet, access Drive, and create files. Approve those so the add-on can work properly. Once installed, open Autocrat by going to Extensions, selecting Autocrat, and choosing Launch. A sidebar will open on the right. Here's where you set up the merge process. Create a new merge job. Think of a merge job as the set of rules that tells Autocrat how to turn each form response into a finished document. Choose your template file, which can be a Google Doc or Google Slides that already includes placeholder tags for the information you want to fill. Then map your form response fields from the sheet to the matching placeholders in the template. Choose the output format you prefer, such as a PDF for a locked, shareable file, or a Google Doc if you want to edit later. If you want the merged files saved to a specific Drive folder or emailed to a recipient, configure those delivery options here. When your settings look good, run the Autocrat job. From now on, every new form submission will automatically generate a merged document based on your template and settings, saving you time and ensuring consistent professional results.